Hi, hello, it's Lynn. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. And this video is about my FabFitFun box. Hopefully I get it right. FabFitFun box. So finally I got this one. I've been thinking of getting this one, and then because it's really a hype. So I was looking, some reviews in YouTube, again in YouTube, the best place to research. So, and there were good reviews about this, that they're really getting their money even more, because this box is supposed to be, if you do the retail, is around 200 to 300 bucks, and you only pay around 50 or like $49. But in the first purchase you have $10 discount, so this box is only around $39.99, because this is my first box. And then it's only seasonal, so you get it every season. So this is one is the summer box, so next will be the fall and then the winter season. So I finally got this. I can't wait to see what's in here, although I customize I think 3 or 4 pieces in here. So but I haven't looked at this yet, so this is really a true unboxing. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So this is the unboxing now. So I don't really know how to like, I wanted it to open in front of you, but again it's so heavy and I can't carry it like this. So I'll try my best to show you the first glance. So this is the box. It's a beautiful colorful box. I think I'm gonna recycle this box. So let's open this. Oh my god, it's a little heavy, and it comes with this I think their magazine that you can see all the products. So who's in here? Eva Longoria. So I think this is her box. I'm sorry, I can't really put this down here. See, there's a call I have to touch. And then this one, oh, there's like some infomercials here. Infomercials. And then yes, this is my box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see a lot of products. I don't know how many products are in here though. So this is the first glance. See this? Oh, I already see this. I love the Living Proof products. So this is their nourishing styling cream. I really need one, because as you can see, I need some styling cream or lotion. So I know I'm gonna use this one. Love the Living Proof products. Love it. So that's one. Okay, I need to put this down. It's getting heavy. Okay, so this one, oh my god, this is a hair tie, and I've been seeing a lot of good reviews on this one. So as you can see, I really love hair ties, because I have a longer hair, so I could use this. And I don't know why my hair ties are always missing. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I tried to put everything here in my room, in the bathroom, everywhere. My hair ties are everywhere. So I could really use this. I think this is a 6-pack. Yeah, there's 3 and 3 of the clear ones. So love this, but I don't know the price though. I think it's in there. But anyhow, this pack again is at $39.99. Okay, oh, foot mask. Love foot mask. What is this? It's like an exfoliating foot mask, which is a coconut milk and verbena. So yes, let me open the box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a full size, right? It's a full size. It's not that sample size thing. Oh, it's sealed, so I cannot smell it. Oh, it's already smelling like coconut. I love coconut. If you know me, I love coconut scents, flavor. So that's 3 already. And then here's another one. Whitening purple. Oh, it's a clay mask. Oh my god, I'm loving already this box because everything here is really what I wanted. Like, I think about getting it, but then I'm not getting it yet. So at least it's in the box, so I could try this one. And they're always good with their their products. It's always a good one. They would not put, I don't think they will put anything that is not worth it. So this is from, what's the name of the brand? Generation Clay. So I'm excited to use this. I think I'm gonna use this tonight. Oh, so this is, I think, the one that I opted to get is part of the customization. Did I say it right? So I think this is a necklace. So this is from Jennifer I don't know how to pronounce the last Tuner Jewelry. Oh, I love it. It's gold. Oh, I think I choose, oh, I love it. It's a star. There's like a star. And that's the back. So it's a kind of dainty, but loving it. Sorry if it's a little too shiny. Now my neighbor is mowing her lawn. Uh-oh, it's a bit noisy. So yes, that's it. I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, and this is a spray, a rose spray. Oh, okay, this is a rose spray, hydrating rose special facial spray. So let's open this. I know it's sealed. It's from Grace and Stella. So I know I've been hearing good things about this spray, but the only thing is I'm not really liking anything that is a floral scent. So rose obviously is a floral scent. So OMG, let me smell, because if it smells good, then I'll try it. If not, I couldn't smell it. It's not that strong scent, but I could really smell the rose. It's supposed to hydrate your face. It's a bit oily too. I could feel it in my skin. Oh, it's glowing. Sorry about that. The tracks is just coming in. Okay, it smells good, but I'm also very picky about anything that I put on my face because I easily get reactions right away. I get that rashes in my face. That's how sensitive I am. So I'm very picky on what I put on my face. So I tend to go on my go-to moisturizers. I'm so hesitant to try new ones because first it could be just waste of money, but since it's already here, I will try this one. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. Oh, so this is a setting spray. So this is a makeup setting spray from Kula. Oh my god, so far I'm loving all what's in here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the 6th product. Everything is in full size. So I really love FitFun. So this is really a good box. What's in here? Open sesame. Something's shaky. Come on. Oh. And it's not plastic, it's glass. Love that. You know, I think you can put it on your fridge just to make like you know, you feel cold. And then probably this one also, you can put it on the fridge, and then when you spray it, it cools you down. I think it's just one of the tricks. I think you need to shake this because there's like beads here, if you can see that. So it gives you that sound when you shake it. That's very neat. So I never tried this product before, because I would not buy this. I'm the person that would only pick whatever, you know, I've used before. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a towel. I think I choose a towel, so I'm not gonna open this. Should I open this? Maybe not, but it's very smooshy. I think it's a beach towel, so love that. I think I choose this over a robe. And then the last one, I know it's a beach tote, a summer rose beach tote. Not bad, it's a good quality. So I have this and the towel. So thank you again for being here, and that's my FabFitFun. I can still not pronounce it. FabFitFun unboxing, and so far I'm loving all the products that are in here, and it's worth every penny that you paid, and it's over what you paid for. So again, I don't know if I have a code that I could put on. I think there's $10 coupon code, so I'll try my best to put it there if I could find one. So thank you again, and I'm planning to do another video, so just stay tuned for that. And thank you again for my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and hope you stay and keep in touch, and also to my old subscriber that been here all throughout. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
La 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 la. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's